Carl Lewis has some advice for Tajay Gayle after Tajay Gayle has announced that he will be running the 100 meters in the upcoming season. All right. Now, some Jamaican fans might not be that keen
Old enough
on
to
Carl
know who
Lewis.
Carlos is.
Yeah, some of us might be too young to remember, but Carl Lewis, at one point was the fastest man in the game and is also considered the greatest long jumper of all time. That's according to the article. All right. Um,
Right.
so it says reigning world long jump champion Tajay Gayle received a bit of advice from the man considered the greatest long jumper of all time, Carl Lewis, after the Jamaican announced he would be adding the 100-meter to his schedule this coming season. Just over a week ago, Gale's coach Stephen Francis at the MVP Track Club revealed that he expected Gale to challenge Jamaica's best sprinters in the upcoming season after recovering from a knee injury that prevented him from contending for a medal in the long jump at the Olympic Games in Tokyo in August. All right, Gale, 25, suffered the injury during a preliminary round and just managed to qualify for the finals. However, once there, he was unable to give his best effort because of his injury that had plagued him for most of the season. However, Francis said he expects the athlete to be at his best in the 21-2022 season. Tajay Gale will be in a position to do a lot more sprinting this year, and I expect that he will be good enough to challenge for the title of the fastest Jamaican and defend his title as the best long jumper in the world, Francis said of Gale, who stunned the world with his leap of 8.69 meters to win the gold in Doha in 2019. All right. On Monday, the former Papine High School athlete confirmed on Twitter that he was indeed running the 100-meter when he posted, "Well, it's official. I'll be running the 100 meters next season. Sigh, didn't want to do this to the sprinters, but oh well, wish me luck." Um, Sounds confident already, right?
I'm telling you.
All right. Among the responses to his tweet was one from Lewis, who won the Olympic long jump titles in 1984, 88, and 1992. Oh, and also 1996. The now 60-year-old American also won gold medals in the event in at the 1983 and 87 World Championships and silver medal in the 1991 championship when it took a world record of 8.95 from Mike Powell to defeat him in what is perhaps the most epic long jump competition in history. All right. So I'm saying no, it definitely can be done. So I say go for it, Lewis tweeted. Remember, the way to win two is to dominate one first. My sprinting came when the long jump was rock solid. All right. What do you think of that statement?
Well, I hope Mr.
A bit.
Tajay can get some some sort of inspiration from that, and not perhaps some are grateful, bigging him up and thing, but
Mm.
to me it just sounds like Carl Lewis is trying to stay relevant, but
Well, why are
maybe
you
I'm just
guys
too
so
cynical.
mean to Carl Lewis?
I don't know. Too cynical. Oh, but big up to the general still. I remember in Gilbert times huddling over a family's house who have the one family member with a Delco just to watch
Mm,
Carl Lewis run.
mhm.
So so big up to the general, but um
Yeah,
I
he
don't
said
really
some praise
hear
towards Jamaican athletics still, so I can understand why some people are kind of skeptical of him. But
right.
yeah, but definitely good to at least him assess something positive towards young
And
Gale.
and 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 also I would love to know if there's any, you know, substance to what he's saying. Is it really the technique from long jump? Can it really translate over to sprinting, or is that just BS? I'd love to know still.
Is that what he's saying though? Because I take it to
That's he
mean
said. He said he didn't do excel in sprinting until he got the long jump locked down.
I think I translate it to mean master one first, and then the other one will come easy. I don't translate it to mean like long jump thing there.
would assist the sprinting.
Yeah, I don't, I never get that out of it.
Right,
I don't. I translate it kind of different.
right.
Um, yeah.
Which just goes to show that his point wasn't clear. Which goes to
Mm.
show that he was waffling. Which just goes to show that he tried to stay relevant. You know. Big up the Jenna. Big up Carlos. Big up yourself.
Boy, let's say that I get called no credit.
Yeah, let's see through this, man. Let's see through this.
No credit.
Right
What I
now,
did is
Jamaica
like
athlete.
yourself. All right, guys. Let me know what you're thinking in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. All right, remember, like and subscribe. Boom.
Big up.